The National Highway Traffic Safety Administration announced a formal recall for the Tesla Cybertruck. The NHTSA announced two recalls on the same day, one because the windshield wiper might fail and a second because trim pieces on the bed might fly off. The windshield wiper recall affects 11,688 Cybertrucks. So essentially every Cybertruck ever built will need a new windshield wiper motor. According to Tesla, the issue appears to have been caused by a supplier using excessive voltage to test one of the components. As for the bed trim recall, it applies to a slightly smaller group. According to the recall, a piece of bed trim known as a sail applique may not have been glued to the body correctly, meaning it could fly off while you're driving. Tesla expects the bed trim issue to only apply to about 1% of all Cybertrucks.